Here we go right here now. So this is all stumps, rocks, a little bit of brush. So these little bitty white dots. It don't look like much, but that's 2 fish sitting here. They'll show up, if the darker you run your contrast, the better the fish show up on your 360. So right now my contrast is a little dark, so I'm gonna back it down so we can lighten up the screen. You see these dark images right here? This is stumps. We're shooting kind of up towards the bank, but you can see the white dots will appear if there's fish over here. The biggest thing is right now is I've got my sweep turned up to 4 right now. My contrast on 11, sensitivity's on 13. I play more with sensitivity on the 360 than I do side imaging, even though it's like a live side imaging kind of deal. I play with it so I can lighten and turn up the color. If you get too much, you get this whitewash and you lose fish. But when I'm looking out here in front of me, I'm shooting at about 85 feet. I like being able to see the targets. Now we're shooting off the ledge. I kind of got up on the ledge, now we're shooting off. So it's black out here, that's deeper water. This is shallow water with rock on it. Maybe a fish or two mixed in here, but play with your contrast, play with your sensitivity, and I think you'll enjoy it.